Oh, we've got a mystery box today that you're not going to want to miss. Who doesn't like getting a mystery box? You never know what you're going to get. Well, I don't know what I'm going to get, but we have a mystery box. And does it have value? We'll surely find out. If you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I will catch you on the other side. Can you guess where our mystery box is from? I don't know. If you haven't guessed, let me give you a hint. It's probably one of my favorite companies to support. Okay. Thank you for coming to this channel and welcome to Henry's RC Garage. Today, we've got a mystery box, but first, I got a couple things I want to share with you. I got a couple packages in from my favorite company that I like to support, and I'd like to see what I got. So without further ado, let's look into this. So I got a package here. I think I know what's in it, but I can't remember what's in it. So I'm going to get my knife, my big one, big knife. We're going to cut this thing open and see what we got. So let's dump her out here. What else? Oh my God, what else did I get? Okay. Who doesn't like stickers? Stickers up the wazoo. Stickers for your rig. Yes. And holy cow. Wow. Okay. I got this sticker a while back, but here it is again. Reef's RC Bundles of America. Yeah. It's a pretty good sticker. Gotta put that somewhere. All right. So I got a couple other things here that goes with my XP10 Founders Edition. Look at this. This is a good, cool sticker. It's flashy, got a little gold on it. And then we've also got a couple of XP10. It's got Velcro on the back, a 4-hour bag. Yes, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Holy moly, that is so cool. And everybody's going to want these for their XP10 Founders Edition. Even if you don't have a Founders Edition, you want one of these. Gold rings. Beadlock rings, yes. Reef's just released these. They made them available for us who have XP Founders Editions. Pretty cool. That's a pretty cool bag right there. So let's get that out of here. And I got another box here. This one is from Eddie's RC. He made a 3D print for, and let me get this other small knife out here. It's my large knife. I got a smaller one. He made something that was 3D, and I don't have a good 3D printer, so he made this available, and I was able to get one. So, and this is also for our XP Founders Edition, XP10. So let's open this. Did I not? There we go. And ooh, look at this. This is a 3D print bed for the rear of our XP10. Wow, that's just got some good quality right there. It's going to be strong. Cool. All right. So, I am not sure, but we got a mystery box back here. No, I'm pretty positive it's a mystery box. Yeah, we're going to open this thing up with our small knife. Let's call it our big knife today. Let's call it our big knife. So we got a box. Look at this. You can't even tell that it's a mystery box. You can't even tell where it's from, or can you? I don't know. Look at this. Boop. Okay, we're going to take out our big knife, and we're going to cut this right along the top here. I'm going to flip it. We're going to cut it right here, and then we're going to cut it down the side here. Hopefully I didn't cut anything on the inside. So, okay, we're going to put this down. Cardboard. Man, I can't get away from the cardboard. Cardboard on the XP10 unboxing. Cardboard here. Not bad. Okay. I don't know. I got lucky. He said they were going to put these in a few of the XP10, or the few of the mystery boxes before they shipped them out. I can't believe it. I got a gold beadlock rings. They weren't even available when I bought the other ones. Wow, pretty cool. All right, sticker sheet. Look at this sticker sheet. These look to be new style. Those are pretty cool. Now, this is either a keychain or a flight tag. I can't really tell, but it's orange. If you like orange, orange. All right, bag. All right. Who does not like tools? Look at this. We got some tools here. These are awesome. You can put these in your bag, take them out on the trail. Oh my God. All right. When you're working on your rig, either out in the field, out in the woods, on your bench, you need a pit mat, or not a pit mat, but a silicone parts tray. This one's black. It's got the Reef emblem on it. Yep. Now, you're looking for two-sided tape. You can't find any. I'm going to tell you right now, I think Reef's got one of the toughest two-sided tapes. They're even hanging pictures up with these things. Oh my God, I don't even know. But we got some tape, two-sided tape. All right. Servo horn. What else did we get? Ooh, we got some Raw 100 mini servo tabs. You can always use those. All right. What else did we get? Oh my God, we got a USB Link V2. I wonder if that's different than the one I have today. Maybe I have V1. I don't know. Okay. This box never fails. I like these tires. I got them on my Origin right here. These are I'm calling these the Sabre tires. We not only got one, but we got two of these. And yeah, we're going to call them Sabre. I think they're really called Sabre, but Sabre fit. So we will put those aside. And I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to need one of these for your Founders Edition. Look at this. This is a 100 Internal Spool Mini Winch. Yes, this thing, oh my God, it can go up to 8.4 volts, 6 volts to 8.4. Yes. Well, let's see here. The torque at 8.4 volts is 103 ounces. That's a lot of torque. Speed at 8.4 volts is at 0.0 seconds, 0.08 seconds. That's fast. All right. All right. Who does not like a little heaviness to the front of their rig? Well, I've got a Raw 800 LP, low profile. This thing, yes, you can power it up to 8.4 volts. And let's just do the torque real quick. 8.4 volts, 800 ounces, hence Raw 800. And then you've got a speed of 0.09 seconds at 8.4. So that's pretty fast. Pretty fast. You're gonna put a little weight up front on your axle, and you're gonna be able to go places with that. All right. So with that, I've got one other thing. One other thing that I want to share today. This thing came in a couple weeks ago. You were only able to get them when they had the Reefs RC live, when they had the live. They did sell out almost immediately. I mean, I don't even think they lasted maybe 10 minutes. So anyway, we're going to pull out our big knife. We're going to open this up right here. I'm pretty sure this is the right box. So anyway, we got this box and we are looking at this thing. Okay. Comes in a box. You get a box and a box with a box. Okay, so let's see if I can open this up. I need my small knife for this one to cut the tape. Cutting the tape. Ooh, all right. Is there a nut? Oh, opening it up the wrong way. All right. Oh, not gonna lie, these look sweet. Look at that. Oh my God, green. I don't know what type of green this is, but it is surely pretty good green. Now these are the beadlocks, are black, but let's look at this one real quick. Now you can tell by the hexes what this is going to be, right? So I don't remember the name of these, but they look sick. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. It's got the Reef's name on them, and I have no idea what this thing is right here. That little piece right there, I have no idea what that is, but looks cool. All right, guys, if you haven't done so, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It's free. I won't even charge you. I won't even send you an invoice, and I will catch you on the next one.